Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about signs of a bad CV axle. I'm in my Passat right now, and when I bought it, it had two bad CV axles, and I've only replaced one just so I can, show you guys the signs here. Now, if you listen real quick, let me turn my AC off. All right, I'm gonna see if you guys just listen for this click noise here. Now, that's a telltale, easy sign that if you have a bad CV axles, you'll hear it clicking on the side that's bad. And my right side is shot, so that's why you're hearing it clicking. Hear it? Also, when you let off the gas, if you shift or anything, you can hear it click too. I don't know if you heard it. And also, sometimes it'll be a bit wavy while you're accelerating, like kind of hoppy, almost like a bad wheel bearing. Hold on a second. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys hear it one more time. Alright, so anyway, those are your signs to look for, is the clicking, the hoppy, like vibrating acceleration, and then whenever you let off the gas, you'll hear a nice couple clicks too. And usually the best way to take action is to replace the CV axle, or if possible, rebuild the joint. But it's always safer just to buy a new axle, because if that axle pops out, you will be screwed. You're gonna have, I can't even describe it. It'd be kind of a bad thing if your axle comes out and it'll start bouncing around and get caught up in something, or can even cause you to lose control and crash. So yeah, that would be the signs of a bad CV axle.